Today I'm going to show you how to copy course documents from one course file, one class to another class. So the first thing I want you to do is log on to the LMS, and then when you get to the home page you need to click on the course that you want to copy the course documents to. So for me, I'm going to copy courses from my 2013 course to my 2014 course. So 2014 philosophy is a course I want to copy to. Click on the course. Once you're in the course, you need to go up to My Tools in the toolbar and click on Edit Course. From here, you are looking for the link called Import, Export and Copy Components. Click on this. On this page, the first thing that comes up is a prompt to ask you which course you want to copy from. So I click on Search for Offering, and up here, it's already on the one that I want, but up here you would type in the course that you're looking for. So it is obviously this course for me, and it has found my course. Select it and click Add Selected. And it's just thinking. Okay, so I can see it's selected the right course that I want to copy the course documents from, as it's selected here. If I've chosen the wrong course, I can click the X and it will prompt me again to search for the correct course. So I have an option now to either copy all components or select components, and I would recommend that we always select the specific components that we want to copy. Mostly because if you copy all components, you're copying over all newsfeed items, all calendar items as they stood in previous years, and it's probably not necessary to copy them all entirely across. So for the majority of us, would be selecting the specific component to copy. When you click on Select Components, it will take you to all the different items that you can possibly copy. Now, for most of us, we need to spend a couple of minutes or discuss in our team groups which things we do need to copy from a specific course, because we don't all just want to copy the same thing across to the same course. Otherwise they will create duplicate files. So it might just be one person or select things to copy. If you're copying across content, you select the content and the course file, so that not only the placeholder but the actual file copies across, and you would select individual items to copy. I definitely don't want 93 and 70 items being copied across to my 2014 Unit 3 Philosophy course, because I've gone through some assessed items that I possibly give my kids in the next year, but also maybe my partner teacher is putting some of those items across as well. And if I copy everything across, it will just make the course become a big jumble. So I'm going to select the specific items to copy. I'm not going to copy anything else across. Click Continue. Now it's asking me which things I actually want to copy across, so I can be as specific as I like. So I want to copy all these texts which are relevant to next year's course, but maybe perhaps this one isn't, or perhaps my teammate has a better document there. So I'll click Continue. These are the actual course files that I have, so these are the specific terminology. Obviously I would have gone through this with my team members and picked out exactly what I want to copy across. Obviously you begin to notice how important file naming is. Obviously I haven't done a great job here, but I know I want all of Aristotle, so that's made it easy for me to put that across. Once I've selected all the files that are relevant, I select Continue. And if I'm happy with that, I click Finish, and my files should begin to copy across. Obviously if you have a lot, this will take a long time. Shouldn't take me too long because there's not too many courses to copy across. If I'm happy with that, I can go back to my course and double check that it's there. and here's all the stuff, and here are all my files that I was looking for. So I've copied the relevant courses across. Just be aware that if you are copying, as I said, with a number of different people, that someone will need to be in charge of making sure that this is ordered and structured and not just a shambles of people's copied files. Great.